today I'm just going to spend the day taking out the dashboard. These were just flimsily screwed there. Screw at the top, screw underneath that. I've taken the same out this side. All this was already off. There's just various screws all over. There was one under there. There's one there I can see. Don't know if you can see that there. I'm just going to get some tape and put tape around everything. Where's it gone? Anyway, I'm going to get some masking tape around everything and label everything up. I'll take it out and get back to you later. See guys, with this one, some tried to steal it from where it was in the underground car park, but the engine was so they were out of luck. Well, anyway, I'm thinking I may take the dashboard out of this today, along with the wiring loom in the bay, see how we get on. As I said, weather permitting, please stop producing some bad weather now. Produce some of this sunny heat wave you said we're going to have. Yeah, let's crack on. Got the dashboard out of the Mark II, guys. I've not looked at this one, but I've been struggling with the Mark 1 to get this out, the centre console. These are different, they've got to be changed. I know I'm changing everything, but some things are the same and look fresher, so I'm going to leave them. But these are a different shape. They're more oblong, as you'll see soon. And my plan is just to get the new wires fed in and in place. I'm not going to be trying to wire anything in today. I've done quite well for today. I've reached my goal if I've got them wires in for today's task, so there'll be more of the same tomorrow, maybe getting the dashboard in and getting things plugged in, and maybe get my red carpet in. Wiring loom, I took it out day 3. I actually pulled it from, oh by the way, the roof's leaking. Where the 2 bolts go in, there's water coming round the nut and leaking into the boot pretty bad, but I'll have to address that another time. But that's one good thing about not having a garage, because I wouldn't have noticed that. But anyway, I've pulled it from the inside of the relay board. I've pulled it through into the bay. It went along the top behind this pathetic thing someone's put on as a heat shield, and along down there to this light, to the horn, a couple of components there, the same again on this side, and it just all basically unplugged. So my plan today, depending if it starts raining or not, is to maybe get the old one out of this, well, get the one out of this and feed it in. I can notice straight away this oblong square should be going that way. It's different. If you go and check out this one here, Mark 1, sorry. See it? What do you think, guys? Is it something I should worry about? Do you think I should change it to match, or just don't be an arsehole and just leave it? Comment down below. Loom in place really. That's going to run along there. I'm going to put a proper heat shield there. I'm going to buy some of that adhesive heat shield you can get back in. That's going to run down here. How it is. It can stay there for now. They're running there into place. And all the rest of the wires are on the engine. So we'll deal with that then. Job of the day. For day 3, I'm going to change these airing ducts for the airflow, whatever, from outside the car coming into the heating system. Check these, it's a 10mm plastic nut there, one eyed in there, and there's like a grommet there. So let's get these done. It's not happening. The brackets there are different. These are in the way. I'd love to modify them tomorrow, but the person who has got the welder what I'm supposed to be borrowing is trying to steal it, and by the looks of it that one's different too. Obviously that one's different, and then that's the new shape plastic. As you can see when I'm trying to put it on, oh, it's in the way. So yeah, maybe I'll have to leave that. I'll just get all the wires in place before I go inside now and call it a day. Until next time guys, ciao.